Tennessee Performance fans, welcome to another great video. Today I've got something really special. It's going to throw you for a little bit of a loop because yes, it is 2019, but I am sitting in a 5th gen Camaro ZL1 right now. It's a special build though, because this is actually a previous customer's second time doing a build with us. So originally he went with the HPE 750 package back in about 2013. So now he's gone for a much bigger, more outrageous upgrade this time. So this time we've gone to the HPE 1000, which for the 5th gen LS series and era was a little bit different than the LT and the current gen. So this is a monster. Basically what we've done here is we've got a fully balanced and blueprinted 427 LSX built to our spec, built for boost. It's got a 2.9 liter supercharger on it, which is a really nice upgrade from stock. Custom cam, ported cylinder heads, the whole works on that regard. Fuel system upgrades from tank to rails. I mean, it's a beast. It makes 800 foot-pounds of torque, which is, puts you in the back of your seat like a train. I'm excited to show you how it drives and how it sounds and what it does on the track. So we're out here. It's a little bit cold today. We've got everything warmed up and up to temp. We are going to get a video going. All right, here we go. That is a ton of torque. That just throws you back. This has a stage 2 built transmission, which is a nice upgrade from stock. It can handle all the extra power. It shifts nice and crisp throughout all the gears, and is just very stout. That about wraps it up for this video. Check out this beast on the streets, and we'll see you next time.